Hello friends, a quick video how to remove the cabin air filter in Toyota hiace 2026. So if you look at the glove box, these two latches there, one at this side and one on the left side. So you just open them and you have to remove this panel. Use a pry tool. Just lift it off and then you will have the access to your cabin filter there. Thanks for watching.